Alright guys, so we are here at PepCom 2019 with Mr. Aaron Baker.
Hey guys, how's it
going?
going?
If you guys forgot who he is, just Google him.
CoolPad.
And also, we're here at the CoolPad booth, which he will showcase the CoolPad Dyno.
Yeah, the Dyno Smartwatch. So I'm really excited about this. So it's a kid's smartwatch that we announced here at CES. And one of the things I feel like a lot of smartwatches don't do for kids is they're kind of reverse engineered for kids, right? So you have a smartwatch, the parents buy it for the kids, and the kid's like, I don't really want to wear this. It's not that exciting. And the parent makes them wear it. That's what usually happens. As a parent myself, I can say, I want to do that. But we designed the Dyno Smartwatch to be kid-friendly first. So you can see this. It still has the peace of mind for parents, but it's kid-friendly with a user interface. It looks like something they would like to wear. So it has an alarm, a step tracker, settings of course right there, and then the screen here itself with the time. You can change this with up to 6 different clocks. So we'll do the blue, for example. Scroll over here, call, you can chat, add a friend as well. So if 2 of your friends have Dyno smartwatches, you can sync those up, and the parent can either approve or deny those. Let me show you the companion app too. If I can find my phone in my pocket, pop this open, and this is the companion app that the parents get. So for example, this watch is synced here to Avery, and you can see it's here at the Mirage in Las Vegas. You can see the GPS radius, and I can do a couple different things. I can set safe zones. So for example, if we want to keep her in the hotel and if she leaves, for it to let us know, all I have to do is set that safe zone right here, and I can set it for any of the watches that I have in here. I can have it for Avery, let's say, and John. And when both of those watches leave the hotel, it'll automatically, let me take John off there. Right there, click off. And you can see classic CES connectivity here, as you know. That's the one thing, the CES gods, wireless, very challenging. But you can set that radius, so that's cool. And then you have the main menu here with all of your different watches that are synced up. This is gonna be available January 28th for $149. And it's gonna be $10 a month. It's a 4G LTE connected smartwatch as well, so you can track anywhere in the US or Canada actually. So we're really excited about this.
All right guys, so you guys heard it first. We have the CoolPad Dyno from Mr. Aaron Baker. And we're here at PepCom 2019. Stay tuned for more coverage. Later.